How to fix Microsoft Office couldn't install error, or if you're encountering error code such as 2048 and 2054. Now, this usually happens when you're trying to install Microsoft on your current PC or laptop, but you have multiple accounts created on your operating system. So what you want to do is just simply running it as an administrator upon installing it. Go into your Windows icon, type in CMD. Now from cmd.exe, right click and choose on Run as an administrator. Now this is where you will summon all the specific commands so that it will automatically be installed. All you have to do is just to simply use this command right here. Now for this command, cd and followed by this information right here, it's going to be depending if you're using 2024 or 2025, so just basically change it. And then on the second field, just simply use this one. Once you have hit on enter, upon typing it, it will automatically be installed on your PC or laptop. And that's how you fix Microsoft Office couldn't install error code 2048 and 2054.